Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn about the letter M. We're going to make a mouse. We're going to start out by cutting a piece of paper in half. Then we're going to fold it in half again. After we fold it in half, we can cut it like this. That way we can cut the letter M without having to print a template. I'm going to use this little bit of paper to make the ears. After that, I'm going to use this piece of pink paper to cut the inside of the ears out. Now we'll collect the rest of the resources. We need a little pom-pom, googly eyes, and some pipe cleaner. I'm going to cut the pipe cleaner into little tiny strips. We'll use these as the whiskers. Hello, my friend.
Hi.
Today we're going to learn about the letter M. Do you know some things that start with the letter M?
Monkey, milk, moon, and mouse.
Very good. And today we're going to make a mouse. First, we're going to stick the letter M on the piece of paper. After that, we're going to add the ears. We're going to add the outside of the ears, the purple, and then we're going to add the inside of the ears, the pink. After adding the ears, what do you think we should add now?
We should add the whiskers.
That's right, we can add the whiskers. We'll use the pipe cleaners to make the whiskers. After adding the whiskers, what should I add now?
The nose.
Good job! We'll use the pink pom-pom as a nose. What's left?
The eyes.
Good! We're going to use the googly eyes and put them on the letter M. Now we have a little mouse. Did you enjoy making the mouse?
Yeah.
Now we need to write the word mouse. Do you know how to spell mouse?
Yeah. M-O-U-S-E.
Very good! Now let's practice tracing the uppercase M and the lowercase m at the bottom of the page.
Okay. This is fun.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Thank you for joining me.
I love making crafts and learning about the letters.
I hope you enjoy making the letter M mouse with your little ones. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!